Who taught this mother how to play Minecraft? Ain't no way. Pro gamer.
The ultimate betrayal.
Okay, you're gonna have to move. I need to get this up there because I built this. So let's get this up there, together.
Her cat gets upside down zoomies. Tearing up all blinds.
Good morning, Snowball. Ow. Hi, Snowball. Hi.
A vampire black cat.
What we got here? Do you want to stay? Nothing? Okay. What about here? Okay. Yeah, that's what you get. 16, 21, you suck.
Getting over the shortest spike.